Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect Redis to n8n. If you're looking to store, manage, or retrieve data seamlessly within your n8n workflows using Redis as your caching or database solution, you're in the right place. This integration is incredibly useful, opening up a myriad of possibilities to enhance your workflow automation. Let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process to set up this connection. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to n8n.io. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll need to access your account. Simply type in your credentials to log in. Upon successful login, you will be taken directly to your n8n dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all of your workflows. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a prominent button labeled Create Workflow. Click on this button to start setting up a brand new workflow. Once you've clicked, you'll be transported to the n8n Workflow Editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice two options for creating your workflow. You can either build it manually by selecting the Add First Step option, or you can opt for the AI-assisted setup, which helps automate parts of the process. For our detailed understanding today, let's focus on the manual method to ensure you grasp each step clearly. To initiate the connection between Redis and your n8n account, remain on the Workflow Editor screen. Right-click anywhere on the editor canvas. This action will bring up a context menu. From this menu, select Add Node. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. Type Redis into this bar and click on the result that pops up. You will then be presented with various actions that this Redis node can execute. For the purpose of establishing a connection, you can select any action to proceed. Our main goal here is to successfully link Redis with your n8n account. After choosing an action, a parameter window will emerge on your screen. This is where the actual connection setup takes place. To connect your Redis account, look for the field labeled Credential to connect with, and click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the available options, select plus Create New Credential. You will now need to input your Redis username and password into the respective fields provided. Initially, you can leave the host field unchanged, as we will update it shortly. Next, let's focus on the port number, which is a crucial part of the setup. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to your Redis Cloud console. This console is where your Redis databases are managed. On the left-hand side, there is a navigation menu. You'll see a list of all the databases associated with your Redis account. From this list, choose the specific database you wish to connect to your n8n workflow. Once you have selected your database, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Public Endpoint. Pay close attention to the final digits of this URL as they represent your host number. Copy these digits, then return to your n8n tab. Paste the host number into the host field within your n8n credential setup. After entering this information, click on Save to complete the connection process. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Redis to your n8n account. Now, you are ready to start building powerful workflows that leverage Redis for efficient data storage and retrieval. This setup not only enhances the functionality of your workflows, but also optimizes performance by using Redis as a reliable database solution. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to connect Redis to n8n, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Stay tuned for more insightful and practical content to boost your tech skills.